In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Xero chart of accounts. Add, edit, and delete codes. 5 minutes. First, sign into your Xero account so you're on the main dashboard. From there, open the accounting menu and select Chart of Accounts. This is the central place where you'll manage all the categories your transactions are coded to, like income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and equity. To add a new account, click the plus Add Account button. Start by choosing the correct account type. This is important because it dictates how the account behaves in reports. For example, sales go under revenue types, while office supplies would be an expense. Next, enter a unique account code and a clear, descriptive account name. Keeping a consistent code structure makes reporting easier later. If your organization uses a particular numbering range for each category, follow that pattern to avoid duplicates and confusion. Set a default tax rate that matches how this account is typically used. This saves time during coding and helps reduce errors. You can also choose whether the account should show on the dashboard or be available in expense claims, depending on how your team uses Xero. When you're happy, click Save and your new account will appear in the list. To edit an existing account, find it in the chart and click the account name to open its details. You can update the code, name, description, account type, or tax rate as needed. This is especially helpful if the account's purpose has changed or if you're standardizing names across your organization. Review your changes carefully, then click Save to apply them. If the account has been used in transactions, some fields may be restricted to maintain data integrity. To remove an account, locate it in the list and tick the checkbox next to it. At the top, choose Delete or Archive. Delete is best for accounts that have never been used. If the account has historical transactions, you may need to archive it instead, which hides it from day-to-day use without affecting past reports. Confirm your choice in the pop-up to complete the process. That's it. By adding, editing, and retiring accounts thoughtfully, you keep your chart of accounts clean, consistent, and aligned with how your business actually operates, making your reporting clearer and your bookkeeping far more efficient.